everyone, welcome to McKinley Health Center's new cooking series. Today we are going to be cooking vegetables. The first vegetable that we're going to get cooking with today is Spiralized butternut squash. First thing I want to do is get some butter in the pan that I've already got preheating, and then just to give some more liquid olive oil. This one's garlic, so I'm going to go ahead and add some of that to the pan as well. So this one is a sun-dried tomato pesto. I am going to give this a little bit of salt, and let's dump them in. Alright, and we're just going to cook these up till they're a little bit more al dente. Okay, just like that, you got some spiralized butternut squash. That's a perfect side dish with any protein option as well. Alright, we're getting started with our next vegetable dish. It's just a pan-fried zucchini with some Parmesan on top. So, I'm starting off with a hot pan on medium-high heat, a tablespoon of butter, drizzle of olive oil, about a tablespoon's worth, and then I'm just going to chop up my zucchini here. I am going to add a little bit of this garlic in here. Alright, once I got a nice golden brown, I'll sprinkle it with a little Parmesan cheese, put on the cover, and just give that half of a minute or so. Alright, and just like that, we have another side vegetable that took us less than 5 minutes that you can add to any dinner, any night of the week. The next thing I'm making is Veggie Kabobs. So I've already cut up, as you can see, my zucchini and summer squash, and then I'm going to add tricolored peppers as well. So I'll go ahead and cut all my veggies, and then I will add Italian dressing to get those marinating. So I could just pop these in the fridge and then bring them out the next day. With these Veggie Kabobs, you can buy skewers. So you can put these on the grill, and if you don't have a grill, like most college students don't, you can also bake them. So let's pop these in the oven, 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so here's our roasted veggie kebab. And then again, if you don't feel like making kebabs, you can just take that Italian dressing and roast the veggies and then have it as a side dish as well. Alright, this next dish is roasted eggplant with a slice of tomato, fresh mozzarella, and basil. Now I'm just going to cut up the eggplant. So I'll lay my eggplant down, fresh slice of tomato, some fresh mozzarella, and take a couple sprigs of fresh basil, some balsamic over it, and we're going to put that in the oven, 400 degrees, about 25 minutes. Alright, so there you go, roasted eggplant with fresh mozzarella, tomato, and basil. There is nothing wrong with buying frozen vegetables, and I always have frozen vegetables in the freezer just in case my produce that week doesn't look so great. Grab my assortment of my favorite frozen veggies. I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil over it. I am going to use garlic salt this time. 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So I hope this video inspired you to start cooking some more veggies at home. If you'd like more inspiration, continue following my cooking series on McKinley's YouTube. You can also sign up for cooking classes right here in the instructional kitchen. Continue following me for more cooking ideas.